In the business world, AI is becoming more and more common. As a result, people now see it as a fantastic method for making money. However, some may find it confusing to implement AI as it is an emerging technology. Jump right in, as you found the perfect video that will help you gain some money without much hassle. Before that, like and subscribe if your goal for 2024 is to be a millionaire. Let's get started. What to sell? We could use ChatGPT as our guide for a budget-friendly, fail-proof business idea. You could type in a very simple prompt such as, list a few low-cost online AI side hustle ideas. ChatGPT has found us a few great options such as online freelancing, AI-generated designs, drop shipping, etc. One of the most promising AI side gigs with great potential is selling digital arts. If someone wants to get into this line of work, Etsy as well as other digital product marketplaces are great places to start. Although you can employ AI in various manners and with different tools based on the template that you'll be creating. AI is useful for generating code, generating images for your template, and gathering ideas for the next template. ChatGPT and other AI text generator tools can be used to add writing to your template. You can sell AI-generated artwork, videos, or even solutions via Google Sheets using this business model. The possibilities are endless. But here we'll be talking about a gig that no one has ever advised you about. Compared to other AI digital arts, it is more uncommon. Just the sale of this product has brought in over $200,000 for this website. Let us now get directly to the point. Digital flashcards for kids' education. Kids of all ages, particularly toddlers, can benefit greatly from using printable flashcards to learn the alphabet, numbers, maths, and sight words. Teachers and parents can use flashcard templates to simplify and make the kids enjoy the learning process. You might be wondering why this is the case and not other digital goods like templates or clip art. You are free to choose any product you like, but since market trends are determined by consumer demand, it would be best for newcomers to choose a popular product with strong sales. These printable flashcards are in high demand, according to an Etsy research. But there is also less competition, which improves your chances of succeeding in the market. How to create a flashcard? Step 1. Brainstorming the ideas. We've now shown you the range of products available, but how are they made? There are two approaches, the simpler of which is the second. To start, look through websites that sell comparable items. We'll be focusing on Shopify. Look at the quantity of cards they offer, the artwork, patterns, product details, context, titles, and other details. Examining the reviews to determine what individuals like and dislike is crucial. This might enable you to differentiate yourself from competitors and create superior goods. Let's move on to our second and most popular method, using ChatGPT to automate the process. In many different industries, you can utilize ChatGPT prompts, also known as ChatGPT commands, to improve your performance in your work. For example, when we asked the chatbot to provide 10 flashcard ideas for toddlers, it produced 10 awesome suggestions for creating flashcards like color, animals, shapes, etc. If you would like to be more detailed, you could provide a prompt such as 5 flashcard ideas for children between the age of 3 to 8 in the animal niche, which will yield incredible results like animal life cycles, endangered species, baby animals, etc. Additionally, you can use ChatGPT to generate 6 niches for toddler flashcards, a list of niche ideas that will help you identify specific topics like the weather and seasons, common activities, fundamental shapes and colors, etc. Moving forward, if you like the idea that ChatGPT came up with, let's take baby animals for example. All you have to do is copy the topic the chatbot provided and paste it on, and it will provide us with multiple flashcard ideas such as puppy, kittens, chick, and calf. Step 2. Creating the illustrations. Having developed a product concept, now what? Your goal is to now produce a final product, and the first step in achieving this is to create the illustrations, which are the key element of the flashcards. While we're using Leonardo AI in this instance, you can also use a number of free generator apps like Artbreeder or DeepArt. You must first write a prompt, which is essentially an explanation of your illustration. Now remember that the applications of generative AI are not human, they are robots. Although it may seem apparent, keep in mind that these generators are not as familiar with the outside world as you are. Since you must be as detailed as possible, it would be wise to divide the topic description into 3 sections. subject, style, and customization. According to our ChatGPT, it would be great if you could include a lion along with the playful cub response. The initial illustration would be a cub. However, ChatGPT has given us the idea to include an adult animal next to the baby animal to make it more visually appealing. Thus, a lion with a cub would be the prompt subject in this instance. As mentioned above, we are going forward to creating our illustration with the help of Leonardo AI. The app has a limited trial per day, which is great for beginners, or you could pay a little sum for unlimited use. You can see a command box and you just have to type in a prompt after considering the following. There are many different design styles available, including anime, hand-drawn, cartoon, and more. Since it is intended for young viewers, a Disney-based cartoon will work best. Keep in mind that we'll be using the same style for all illustrations. With that in mind, we have created a lion with a cub, Disney cartoon style. The only thing left to do is customize it, and we are going to use a plain white background in high quality. Other customizations can include changing the colors, the surroundings, the mode, etc. After finishing the illustrations, you can proceed to the most exciting part of the process, designing the illustrations using Canva. In case you were unaware, Canva offers a free tool for creating printable flashcards. Just type Canva Flashcards Maker into Google, select the first result, and begin by selecting Create a Flashcard. As you can see from the website, Canva offers a selection of editable and usable flashcard templates. Using the Upload tool, begin by posting the illustrations you've created, and then select your preferred template. Now all you need to do is swap out the template's illustrations for ones of your own and adjust the label to match. Simply drag the image onto the card. If you have Canva Pro, you can now remove the image's background. If not, you can use any free background removal app or the Leonardo AI app to do the same. Continue in this manner until all of the illustrations are complete. At this point, you can experiment with the templates by altering the label fonts or even the card colors. And with that, you are done with the creation of your printable flashcards. Where to sell? Etsy is by far the best platform for selling your handmade artwork. Several actions can be taken to optimize your Etsy shop and boost the odds of success if you intend to sell AI art. Your AI art's aesthetic appeal is essential to drawing in potential customers. Make use of high-resolution photos that best showcase your artwork. When determining prices, take into account the price of materials, the duration of production, and the artistic vision's worth. The competition in the marketplace for comparable artwork and the desire for AI art should be taken into account when determining prices. You must first create an Etsy shop in order to begin selling your AI artwork there. Building a profile and setting up your artwork for sale is all that is required for this easy process. Once your store is operational, you must begin promoting your artwork to possible customers. To do this, you can use email marketing, social media, or sometimes paid advertising to connect with a larger audience. The secret to successful marketing is to be persistent and consistent. Lastly, to maintain your store engaging and new, make sure you're always developing and adding new items. This will assist you in drawing in new clients and retaining current ones. Another option is to sell your goods on Amazon. Selling digital goods on Amazon has many advantages over listing physical goods for sale. One benefit is that it is far less expensive upfront than investing in inventory. The way you list your digital product on Amazon will depend on the kind of product you're selling. These are the next actions you must take to get started after creating your respective account. Submit. After your material has been created, written, or produced, send it to the relevant program for approval. Launch. Once you have permission, list your designs or flashcards. You could market your printables on additional platforms like ArtNet, Redbubble, Flipkart, Fiverr, etc. A secret strategy. Here's the secret trick. You could even make a little original creation. You might include a printable coloring page or clip art of the illustrations you've done of animals as a bonus with your purchase. This will draw in more clients and make you stand out from the competition. Since we are working with kids, it would be more efficient if you gave out free stickers as well. For creators and entrepreneurs, the digital marketplace offers countless opportunities due to the adaptability and ease of use provided by AI tools. Drop down your thoughts in the comments section. If you want to make more money, then check out this video to find out how I generate $1,666 completely passive with AI.